It's possible to capture what's going on in the 3D part of the world using the screen grab plugin. So you want to go to Options, Settings, Add-ons, and you're going to have to configure the grab frame render plugin in order to begin capturing a movie. You need to configure it. You need to give it enable save to file and a location on your computer where you're going to save it. You give it a title and more information if you want. I have always just left the rest of the defaults as they were and hit OK. And now you're going to hit start. Unfortunately, I cannot screen grab a screen grab. So I'm going to hit start, but it's not going to work for me. And you're on your own from here. You hit stop when you want to stop the movie from being captured. And you can use you can create a voiceover by getting set up with your headset while you're working.